See, now we done for the correlation, right? What is the process correlation? We are everyone know. So today I will give some other requirement also. So already I done for the departure city. Okay. So I want to further now Sandy, right? So this is the arrived city. Again, I am showing for the correlation. Please carefully understand. Okay. So we are doing for the departure value where we can do, we find the dynamic value, after that go to the code generation and every time come to the control home and you can copy and paste it and search it. And this is the value. So you guys use for the arrow. Okay, shift plus arrow, then you can able to copy. And now you want to where to write the function, right? So I told two ways. One is the web underscore also we can give uh, and click on this and so we need to write for the T4 nothing but this is the, so we need to write for the T3 above. So you need to write here. So every time you are going to notepad, that is also some time waste, right? What you need to do means you can copy these boundaries here and you can comment it, like comment nothing but slash double slash. So it is commented. So now we need to write the function. What is the function? Web underscore rec underscore save underscore param. Okay. And what is the parameter name? Double colon, 1 minute, double colon, comma, and next one more double colon because LB, comma, and RB, comma, last also one of the argument, and after that semicolon. So now you need to give for the parameter name. We are doing for the array, right? You can give for the array city underscore core. And now you need to give for the LB. So LB equaled and RB equaled. So this is the dynamic value. So if you take this is the left text is a left boundary, right text is the right boundary. So now I'm considering this is the my dynamic value. This dynamic value left text is a what? Left boundary. So this is the control C and your copy and
LB.
LB equal and control V. LB is completed. Next, you can take for the RB. After study RB, this is the RB and control V. Now you can observe your script parsing is failed because some double colons will be there in this here. So you need to, in the double colon place, we need to go for the slash. Okay. Can you for the in the double colon place. You can observe RB, sorry, LB equal to here, double colon will be there. You can give for the slash. Not this, I think. My system. So now in the double colon place, we need to give for the, this is the slash. Okay. Now you can observe script parsing is succeeded because double colon is loaded down now. So I think someone is hand why. So take capital letters or take capital. So anything is fine. Actually, this case sensitive. You can give for the LB and RB. It is a small or capital also fine. Okay. So now we are. This is the correlation is done, and after that, what we need to do? We need to replace. Only this is the only one place. We can direct also. We can replace is possible. We can come to here. Here in this place, you need to replace with the like open curly brace and close curly brace. In middle, you need to give for the parameter name. So now correlation is completed. Just we can execute. Okay. And before that, you can check for the logs. Okay, parameter substitution only will be there. Now I am replaying the script. So now you can observe our script will be paused, but we need to identify the in output only everything we need to check. So come to here and we can observe here. So we did for the arrive city. Which city is picked? Actually, we are did Sandy, but we are picked for the Denver because that is a user changing. So that is why we are doing for the correlation. So this is fine. Okay, but I want only some then I want to capture. Sometimes we are some government applications we are filling, right. India is full name, but IND we can get. So same way I want only display for the array city is equal then only. So at that time what we can do, we have the some different arguments also there in our script. So SM2 we can do first thing will be, you can observe how many we have in drop down departure city. You have many, right? See, I will show you. You can go to the application and we'll see that. See, we'll log in quickly and beam, and you can click on this and flights. Now you can observe in departure city you have different cities we have, and array city also you have different. So I want to capture these all departure cities, means we need to give for the one more argument in the after that RB and comma. You can give for the double colon, the double colon and comma, and we need to give for the ordinal. What is that means? Ordinal equal to, you are capturing all values. So that is why you need to give for the all. So ordinal is equal to all. So now you can execute. Now you can observe what are the values you can pick, how many values you will get. Now you can observe actually departure core Frankfurt and London. What are the values will be there in the drop down? Total 18 will be there. All 18 will be displayed. So using for the which function, which argument? Ordinal. So what is the ordinal? Nothing but ordinal transfer the occurrence of the dynamic values which are generated from the server side. So like what are the values will be there in the drop down? All values will capture. So ordinal nothing but what is the ordinal? Ordinal transfer the occurrence of the dynamic value, and when you are given ordinal call, it become an array and a display for the all the occurrence of the dynamic value. So for example, you want for the particular one, like I want for the Paris. So how much it is? 13. So maybe then you want to capture particular one, means how to we can give, means ordinal is equal, okay, ordinal is equal, you can give it as a 31, 13 means you can give for the 13 one. Then you can execute. So just this all will be interview point of and your knowledge point of view. Okay. So now you can go here and you can observe departure city Paris came. So you are given 13 occurrence. So that is why I speak for the 13. So now everyone clear what is ordinal means? Ordinal transfer the occurrence of the dynamic value. So if you want capture all values, means it is become an array and a display for the all the occurrence of the dynamic value. So same way you can give for the array also. What you can do, you can give for the every argument will be double colon only with comma, okay, and in the double colon place you can give for the ordinal. Ordinal is equal to all. Now you can observe for this also. See now, array city Denver, Frankfurt, London. How many values there in the drop down? All values will be captured. See, this array count will be 20. It is showing. but you want for any particular value. For example, you want for the anything, okay, fourth value. So now what we can do, ordinal equal to, you can give it as a 4, then it will capture the fourth value. So now we can observe. So now we'll observe for output window. See, Los Angeles. Because ordinal is equal to I given 13. 13th is the Paris, is picked for 13. And ordinal is equal to I given for 4. The fourth value is be Los Angeles. So it is display for the Los Angeles. So is clear everyone, ordinal? Hello. So now we capture what we captured, ordinal, right? So we got for the Los Angeles and same to the these two, right? What you got, Paris and Los Angeles. Just you can copy and paste it. Paris. So now our requirement will be now different. Assume. So I want only pair. First 3 characters I want. And Los Angeles will be there. In that also I want 3 characters. So how to we can capture? So using the ordinal is possible? Using ordinal is possible? Yes or no? No, right? Because ordinal nothing but it is what are the occurrence of the dynamic value will be there, all values to display. But I want for the particular one. So we can use for the one more argument that is called, you can give for the double colons only, comma, the double colon we need to give for the save length. Save length equal to, you can give for the how many characters you are capturing. Now you can observe here how many characters. How many characters? 3 characters. 3 characters. So means you want to capture 3 character means save length is equal to 3 unit give. So now what is the save length means? It is specify the how many character you want to supposed to capture. You need to specify the how many character you want to capture. So now same way you can give for the here also the double colon and comma, and you need to give for the save length equal to, can give here also 3. Now we'll save it and we'll execute. Now we can observe in output window what value will pick. Now you can go here. See, you can observe pair Los Angeles. Got it, everyone? So means using for the save length. What is the save length? Nothing but it is specify the how many characters supposed to capture. So again, you can go to the script. So you can go here and you want for the loss A also up to this means what value, how much we need to give, how many characters we are capturing. How many characters we are capturing? I want for this also loss A, and I want here Paris up to that I. So now the save length is equal to how much value I give.
Save length is equal to how? Also consider the character also.
Yes, save length nothing but character only. Save length is equal to how much it will come. You are capturing 4 characters, you can give for the 4, right? Why you are thinking, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So you are giving for the save length is equal to 4, then it capture the 4. You can observe now. Again, you can go to here and you'll go here and you can give for the save length is equal to 4 and save length is equal to 4. Now you guys can observe what value it is pick. So your script will be paused. Now you can go here and you can observe Los and Paris scheme. But we want to capture actually A, right? So because why it is not capture A means in this like space also it is considered as a 1 character. So otherwise you can give for here in this place, you can give for the save length is equal to 5, and this will be 4 only. You can save it, just execute. Now we can observe, now we will capture that A, because this space also it is taking as a 1 character. So it's clear everyone, save length. So, but this is fine, but I don't want this 3. I want for the after Los Angeles up to here, no need. I want one for angel, and here I want only RIS. Then how to we can capture? I want here, I want to capture only RIS. RIS nothing but how many characters? 3 characters.
3 characters.
But you can give for the save length is equal to 3. You can capture that RIS. No, right? Because that is the not a starting characters. So SM2, I want to capture angels. So what we need to do means we have to have one more argument that is called save offset. Save offset. So what is the save offset? Nothing but you want to, how many character you want to supposed to skip, that is the save offset. Save length nothing but how many character you are capture. Save offset nothing but how many character you skip. Now you are capturing which value? RIS. RIS. But how many character you want to skip? You want to capture RIS means how many characters? First 2 characters, right? PA. We can capture, we can skip how many characters?
2 characters.
2 characters. So offset is equal, we can give for the 2 here. And save length is equal to how many character you are capturing?
3 characters.
So you can give for the 3 for save length. So when you are given save length, say offset, what will happen means it will work for the save offset first. Then what will happen? You are given say offset is equal to, okay, save offset P2 means this PA will be skip. This PA will be skip. And you, how many you are capturing RIS? Then this is the your output. Same way, anyone can explain what is the save length we can take for the second Los Angeles, and save offset what we can take. Okay. So anyone tell me second example? I want to only angels. Okay, I will give for the output also here. So now first will be you need to take from the save offset, because how many characters you want to skip? Like you are skipping from the here onwards. Like how many characters you are skipping?
4 characters.
4 characters. Very good. So you need to give for the 4. And after that, how many characters you are capturing?
7.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So can give for the save. Then you will get for the RIS is your output and angels is your output. So now we can try in the script. Save length is equal to 3 and 2. One is for the like departure city. So departure city only, right? That one. Okay. You can give for the save length is equal to 3. And what is the next argument? Save offset. Save offset also you can give for the double colon and a comma. In the double colon you can give for the save offset equal to how many character you are capturing? 3. But only you are skipping 2 only, right? 2. Because Paris is the only you are skipping from this.
Sir, offset 2, sir. Save length 3.
Which one? This is the right Paris.
Yes, yes. Offset is 2 characters.
Yeah. Offset 2, save length 3. Yes. Offset 2, save length 3. So same way you can give for the here. Save length will be 7 and comma save offset will be 4.
అది ఇంకా ఐ మీన్ ఈ రోజు పేపర్ చెక్ చేసినట్టు ఉంటది కదా.
Now we can save and we'll run and we'll get that output or not, we'll check. See, you got it or not? What we are expected, that we got it or not. So you can use for the save length and save offset like this. So everyone got it? Save length and save offset?
Yes, sir.
So save
Yes, sir.
length means what is the save length? It is specify the how many character you want to supposed to capture. Save offset means is supposed to how many character you supposed to skip.
Skip.
It's clear, everyone? So next one will be
Yes, sir.
one more. That is the okay. Now I'm doing for the another one. Will do. Okay, no problem. You can do here only. So okay, we'll do this one immediately. Okay, I'm doing for this is also correlation. Okay, just that will be you can do for the anywhere you can use it. Depends on the our requirement. Okay. Now we need to know for this because starting only, right? We need to write above only. And you can write for the function. So what is the
Yeah.
function? Web underscore reg underscore
Web underscore reg.
Save
Sir.
param.
save underscore forum.
Param.
And after that arguments, what are the arguments? Parameter name, comma,
Double column.
LB, comma,
LB, comma,
LB.
RB,
RB,
comma,
RB.
and last,
Last.
and this. And now which value we are doing? User section you are doing. You can give it as a user session underscore CORR. And next LB equal to. And next RB equal to. And now you can give for the LB RB. This is the entire value you can consider as a LB. And this is the entire we can consider as a RB. Just save it and execute.
parameter substitution, sir.
No. We are not given double colon plus slash. That is the so that you can there what error you can get, right? You can observe errors also you need to find it. Syntax error found hidden expecting this. So that is why what
Backward class also.
yeah. So we need to give for the slash. How many places it will be there? You can give for the slash. See, now you can observe. I can give this. Automatically last will be blue color will come. You can observe scripting passing also succeeded. So if you execute this successfully, but substitution I will do. Okay, if you want this, I will do. Again, you can confuse it. Process will be you can follow. See, we have only single value, right? Directly I'm replacing, but I told right how to replace. You can follow that process. Okay. Replace also is completed. You can save it and run. So now execution is completed. Now you can observe, see user section value also captured. So sometimes what will happen means we are doing for the correct only boundaries you are giving but you are again it's failing for the no match found error because boundaries are incorrect you are getting. So but you are in starting page only, but you have the lot of values will be there for doing correlation. So if you not done this, what will happen? Your script will be failing. So that is why you want to skip this step and you can continue for the next one. Means we need to do for the one more argument, that is for the not found is not found. One more argument, not found. Not found. So actually by default, if you not given not found here, it will throw an error because see you can observe for here we can remove anything and now we'll execute because I given boundary will be wrong. Assume. See it's a fail. So you can observe what error we got. So no match found the requested parameter user section. Either specified boundaries are not found. Means the boundaries will be wrong. It is telling. So you can click on this and now you can go here. By default, what it will throw an error? Error. It is already thrown for this error. So if you not given not found is equal to error in these arguments, automatically it will throwing which one? Error. So, but I want to continue my script because I tried with the different ways again. I am getting for the no match found error, no match found error. But I want to continue my script because what will happen? Your team member or your team lead will be assigned your work, and you need to complete this end of the today or tomorrow morning. Then you started scripting and you are failing here only, but you are trying again and again here only. Then what will happen? Your time will be waste, and after end of the day, your team lead asks, okay, how much you scripting you are completed? So you are giving answer, sir, I'm in starting only, I'm getting for the one error. Why you are doing for same that one is why you are spent that much of time. You are wasting your time. So you can continue for the next script. Means we need to give for the here one more argument with the comma not found is equal to warning. See what will happen means, sorry, double colon we miss. Every time this one is, this keyboard will be UK keyboard. That is why both. See now we'll execute. Say execution is. You can observe script is passed or failed. Script will be passed. You can observe, but you are not captured for the dynamic value. See, you got a warning. Just it is throwing an warning. Warning, no match found a requested parameter user section. Means this step you are ignoring and you are continuing your script. So you can observe you did ericity and it's picked for these values also. So means if you want to don't waste your time, means we need to give for like this. No match found is equal to a warning. Then you will get for the throwing an warning. Everyone observe? That is the one of the argument. And we have the other argument will be there. And so what is that means? Scope or search. Scope or search. So what is the search? Nothing but CAR search. Search is equal to, by default, if you not given search also, by default value will be body. Body nothing but this is the we are searching right boundaries. So in the code generation we are searching. So this is the entire, we can call it as a body. Means if you not given anything also, it is by default value. What is the search is equal to body. But sometimes what will happen means the dynamic value left boundary, right boundary, it will be there in the header also. So at that time you need to write for the body place, you need to give for the header. HEADER header. You can give for the search is equal to header. Then it will search that value and your correlation will be passed. So, but what is the default value? Search is equal to body. Okay. That is the one of the argument. One more is the rel frame ID. So this is the optimization technique. Nothing but your some frames also sometimes what will happen means, you know, in maths we have the 1.0 and after that 1.1 and after that 1.1.2 and so like this will be there. After that 2.0 and 2.1 will be there. So same way sometimes what will happen means, for example, this script will be response contains in the 1.1, then you need to give for the rel frame ID is equal to 1.1. So this is only for just interview point of only, but real time we can't use because as of now I didn't use this. Okay, but interview point of what is the rel frame ID, how to we can give means, you need to just rel frame ID nothing but is optimization technique. The particular response which frame we have, we need to give for that frame ID. It's clear everyone? So next one more argument is called convert. So convert. So convert is equal. So for example, you can go here and this value will be there, right? This is the actually format will be HTML format. Which format? HTML format. So you can observe, you can come here. This is the format will be HTML format. So URL format means anyone know URL. URL nothing but sometimes one, sometimes this special characters, and like this it will be there. So this is the URL mode. So for example, it will be there URL mode, but you are unable to understanding. You want to convert from the URL to HTML, then we need to use for the URL to HTML. How to you can give for means like this we can give URL to HTML. Then what will happen? This text will be converted as a URL mode. Sometimes you want to convert from the URL to HTML mode. HTML to URL means HTML to URL you can give. So these all arguments will be there in our material. Go through that material and read it. So HTML, URL and rel frame ID convert, and anything we miss, set scope also is completed. So almost we are completed for the all the arguments. So today I explain ordinal, save length, save offset, not found, scope or set, and rel frame ID and convert. So all these are we covered. So this all we can consider as a arguments. So how many arguments in correlation means, first will be username and parameter name LB RB and last is the actual. So we need to someone will ask what is the save length, what is the save offset. So you need to give for the answer. Save length nothing but it is specify the how many characters supposed to capture. Save offset, it is specify the how many characters supposed to skip. What is the ordinal? Ordinal transfer the occurrence of the dynamic values. So when you are given ordinal is equal to all, it become an array. It is display for the all the occurrence of the dynamic value. So not found is equal to warning. So when we are given not found is equal to by default value will be error. When you want to skip that as a warning, then you can give for the not found is equal to warning. So when you are convert HTML to URL or URL to YAML, then you need to use for the argument convert. And the particular response contains in the your body. So by default value is equal to scope or search is equal to body only. But sometimes it will be there in header. Then you need to go for the scope or search is equal to header. So it's clear, everyone?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, great. So everyone is clear, right? These arguments you need to practice yourself. Then only you will be good. So you can do for correlation. After that, you can try save and save offset. And after that, you can try in ordinal in for the where is that enemy drop-downs will be there. You can use for the ordinal. And save and save offset you can try.
Lakshmi
Not found you can
Nadu,
try.
please.
Okay. So these all things you can practice well. Then you are good for the correlation. So we are finishing for the manual correlation process. So everyone will be record Web2 script and do for the this all correlation and practice for the all arguments. And as same to the I want to see the everyone script tomorrow with all this all. You can try ordinal, you can try save length, save offset, and you can try for the not found. This all things you can try. You can, if you want try means scope is equal to also you can try. Okay. So then next I will give for the one more assignment. I will give him for the 2 assignments. One is for the Web2 script, and yesterday I told right some different application that is working or not. Let me see. So this is the URL. Maybe let me see somewhere type status message request. Okay, I will ping another website, okay, in our WhatsApp group, and everyone practice. Meanwhile, first thing will be you need to practice Web2 script first of all. Then I will give for the different URL, and you need to practice that is also, okay. Because if you went for the office, every time Web2 is not there and some, so you need to practice different URLs. We have the APSRTC, TSRTC, and we have the some different application will be there. We need to record and we need to do for the correlation and parametrization real time.
Sir.
Oh, anyone any doubt?
సార్ అక్కడ మనం డెన్వర్ అరైవల్
good to
సిటీ
close.
డిపాజిట్ సిటీ డెన్వర్ తీసుకుంటే యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తుంది కదా సార్?
Thank you for joining everyone. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.
సార్